If you're tired of dipping into cold water every time you swim, a quality heater can make all the difference. Today, we're covering the top 5 above-ground pool heaters on Amazon for the best performance in 2025. Let's start with the VARPOOLFAYE 16,000 BTU electric pool heater, a high-performance unit ideal for above-ground pools up to 5,000 gallons. What makes this heater stand out is its dual functionality. It can both heat and cool your pool, making it useful across all seasons. With a 16,000 BTU output, it's powerful enough to raise the water temperature significantly in a short period. This model also features Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to adjust settings remotely from your smartphone, whether you're at home or away. It uses a durable titanium heat exchanger, built for longevity and compatibility with saltwater system. Customers consistently praise this model for its reliable performance, quiet operation, and ease of use. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one electric solution for your medium-sized above-ground pool, this is one of the top contenders. Next is the POOLCOMFT POOLCOMFT 50 electric pool heater, a compact and affordable solution built for pools up to 4,000 gallons. It delivers 15,826 British thermal units of heating power and runs on a standard 110 to 120 volt outlet, making it incredibly easy to install. Just plug it in, hook up your hoses, and you're good to go. It's especially suited for smaller spaces thanks to its compact design. While it doesn't have smart features or advanced digital controls, its simplicity and reliability make it perfect for pool owners who want a no-fuss plug-and-play heating system. Customers often highlight how quickly the water temperature improves, with minimal impact on their electric bills. If you're looking for something practical, budget-friendly, and easy to operate, the POOLCOMFT 50 is a strong choice. Our third option is the ECOPOOLTECH 50 electric pool heater, designed for energy efficiency and consistent heating. With a heating capacity of 16,184 British thermal units, it's well suited for pools up to 5,000 gallons. Like the previous model, it also runs on 110 to 120 volt power, making it accessible for most homes without electrical modifications. What sets this heater apart is its durability. The titanium heat exchanger resists corrosion and works seamlessly with both freshwater and saltwater pools. It's a favorite among customers who want a long-term solution that's easy to maintain. Many users have noted its ability to extend their swimming season well into the cooler months, making it a solid investment if you want to maximize your pool time throughout the year. For those who want an eco-friendly, zero-cost heating option, the INTEX 28685E Solar Pool Water Heater Mat is worth a look. It uses nothing but solar energy to warm your pool, and it's designed to work with pools holding up to 8,000 gallons of water. The mat is about 47 inches square and connects directly to your existing pump. It's flat, compact, and folds easily for storage. Users in sunny areas report noticeable increases in water temperature, often up to 5 degrees Fahrenheit or more. While the heating speed depends heavily on weather and sun exposure, this product offers a great environmentally friendly option with no operational costs. It's best suited for climates with consistent sun and for pool owners who want to lower their energy footprint without compromising comfort. Lastly, we have the AUKIVON 2025 Upgraded Solar Pool Heater, an adjustable solar heating solution for above-ground pools of various sizes. It comes equipped with thickened panels for better heat absorption and support legs that allow you to angle the unit for optimal sun exposure throughout the day. The complete package includes hoses, clamps, and even plumber's tape, so it's ready for DIY installation right out of the box. This solar heater works particularly well when used in pairs or more for larger pools, helping you scale up based on your heating needs. Customers like its effectiveness in sunny regions and note the build quality as being a step above most budget solar options. If you want a modular, efficient solar heating system with better than average construction, the AUKIVON 2025 is an excellent pick. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check the video description for links to all the heaters we covered today.